This is Tina. Say hi, Tina. She doesn't talk yet, though. She glows with a UV blacklight, as you can see. And because she has fluorescent oils in her quills, I did that as a science project. And I will turn on the lights so I can show you. Here, her cheeks and the top of her head. She does that to find mates, but it's not really a mate in the bird cage at the moment. And she actually does this a lot, but you can only see it with a black light. And yeah. So I wish I could get the back of her wing. There. Top of her head. Supermodel. Hope you can notice it. See her blue cheeks. Those are glowing. And the top of her head. The back of her neck. Tina, turn around. One second. Keep it on you, Tina. Come on. What? And I guess again. There you go. Touch close.